Compulsive, leaving emotions open, can't get explosive. Suffering from vision and the mind impulses. The diagnosis, expressive music psychosis.
Don't wanna be infected, then you better not get detected. Cause this viral's not too selective, rendered ineffective. Once you've been bitten, never gonna be the same. Well, it's organic, don't panic, he's just manic. Skitzed out from being satanic, from flying too close to the sun in a plane. Chicken, baby.
First generation victim of a voodoo chicken addiction. Every second Wednesday up on my parent and pension. Come join, this is kinda like a religious cult. Don't freak out, bro, it's not your sister's fault. Hop, who goes there? Keep on sounding. Circumnavigate along the boundary. Zulu warrior, friends at the foundry. Could leave me back on the top of the totem pole where they found me.
If you don't wanna be infected, then you better not get detected. Cause this virus not too selective, rendered ineffective. Once you've been bitten, never gonna be the same. Don't wanna be infected, then you better not get detected. Cause this virus not too selective, rendered ineffective. Once you've been bitten, never gonna be the same.
Flying too close to the sun in a plane.
Fool, chicken,
Flying too close to the sun in a plane.
Melodies penetrating mentality, teleplays. Melodies penetrating mentality, teleplays insanity. Lost screaming realities, good personality, everybody's panicking. Melodies relationship control, cause it should be. Don't understand, but time you understand. Skip up with soul, harmony in a hoodie. It tastes so good, the flavor keeps cooking.
Each of the poses are flow intense and compulsive, leaving emotions open, calm yet explosive. Suffering from visions of untold impulses. The diagnosis, expressive music psychosis.
Melodies penetrating mentality, teleplays insanity. Lost from realities, good personality, everybody's panicking.
Flying too close to the sun in a first generation victim of a voodoo chicken addiction. Every second Wednesday up on my parent and pension. Come join, this is kinda like a religious cult. Don't freak out, bro, it's not your sister's fault. Hop, who posted? He won't sound. Circumnavigate along the boundary. Zulu warrior, friends at the foundry. Then you back on top of the pole where they found me.
chicken, if you don't wanna be infected, then you better not get detected. Cause this virus not too selective, can be ineffective. Never gonna be the same. Well, it's organic, don't panic, he's just manic. Skitzed out from being satanic, flying too close to the sun in a plane. Flying too close to the sun in a plane. Flying too close to the sun in a plane.
Flying too close to the sun in a plane.
Chicken,
First generation victim of a voodoo chicken addiction.
Chicken, I'm too close to the sun and the plane.
Outlandish, you think I'm speaking Spanish. I'm not a holiday, yeah, me tell them I can vanish. So famished, I can actually do damage if the manager would look back this food chicken sandwich.
I'm too close to the sun and the plane. I'm too close to the sun and the plane.
Wow, it's so organic, don't panic. He's just manic, skins down from being satanic. I'm too close to the sun in a plane. I'm too close to the sun in a plane.
I'm too close to the sun and the plane.
Shit,
I'm too close to the sun and the plane. I'm too close to the sun and the plane.
This relationship will do because it should be. Don't understand, but time you understood. Please give up and soul. Harmony and beauty. It tastes so good, the flavor keeps cooking. Tastes so good, the flavor keeps
Voodoo chicken tastes so good, keep it